Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about an unique fish named as Opa, the world's first warm-blooded fish. We know that all fishes are cold-blooded, but Opa, Lamparis guttatus, the scientific name, also known as the moonfish, has been found to be the one and only warm-blooded fish in the entire fish family. Opas distribute warm blood throughout the body, including the heart. Dr. Nicholas Wagner et al. Of the Southwest Fisheries Science Center, run by National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA), stumbled upon this unique warm-blooded feature of the fish, which set it apart from other fish. Their findings have been published in the May 2015 issue of Science. Scientists from NOAA discovered that opas, which are massive, being almost the size of a car tire, generate heat as they swim in the cold waters of the twilight zone of the ocean. The fish appears to produce the heat by constant flapping of its pectoral fins. The heat is distributed throughout their unique or special disc-shaped body by means of special blood vessels. A special counter-current heat exchanger in their gills minimizes heat loss, allowing these master predators of the deep ocean to keep their body temperature above the water temperature prevailing in the twilight zones. According to researchers, the pectoral fins of opas were found to be well insulated by thick layer of fatty tissue, and the constant flapping helped it to trap the warmth. The fish uses this heat to keep its heart, brain, and organs warm while it swims to cold depth of hundreds of meters. The design of Opa's gills was described to be somewhat similar to that of a car's radiator. When blood is pumped into the gills to collect oxygen, loss of heat is minimized by a dense intertwined network of blood vessels called a rete mirabile, which is Latin for a wonderful net. At the surface of the gills, blood picks up oxygen and loses warmth, but as it passes back through the sponge like rete mirabile, it regains some heat from still warm blood arriving from the fish body. The scientists came to this amazing discovery of Opa's unusual internal system after analyzing samples of gill tissues of the fish caught off the coast of USA. This unique whole body endothermy of opas results in the fish being a fast swimmer, having a better vision, and a quick response system compared to other fish that thrive in deep cold water of the ocean. The opas have an edge in better survival chances, and since it can warm its body, it is a better and efficient predator and can even zero in catch quick swimmers like squids. It can also migrate long distance. The opa does not swim in schools or in groups and is found in the oceans of the USA, Australia, and few other countries. They are a huge and colorful fish having an average weight of 90 kg. Some opas are said to weigh a massive of 270 kg. It has a diameter of 3 feet and it can sometimes grow up to 6 feet long. Yes, today this is the end of today's lecture, and thank you everyone.